Hello, good day, and welcome. I'll be answering NECO 2019 Biology Past Question 47. The hormone that stimulates reabsorption of water from kidney tubules is A. Adrenocorticotropic hormone, B. Antidiuretic hormone, C. Gonadotropin hormone, D. Oxytocin, and E. Prolactin. So we are asked to pick an option which is the hormone that is responsible for the reabsorption of water from the kidney tubule. Now A says adrenocorticotropic hormone. Now, adrenocorticotropic hormone is hormone secreted by the pituitary gland that stimulates the adrenal cortex to produce its hormone. So its function is just to stimulate the adrenal cortex to produce its hormones. Now, the hormones of the adrenal cortex are called the corticosteroids. So this is the function of adrenocorticotropic hormone. Now option B says antidiuretic hormone. Now antidiuretic hormone is also known as ADH. It's actually produced by the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus produces this hormone, but then the hormone is stored in the pituitary gland. That is the posterior part of the pituitary gland. And then this hormone is responsible for the reabsorption of water from kidney tubules. From the name antidiuretic, you will know that that is the function of this hormone. Reabsorption of water from kidney tubules. Now option C is gonadotropin hormone. Now this gonadotropin hormone include the FSH, that's the follicle stimulating hormone, and the LH, the luteinizing hormone. These two hormones are concerned with the maturation and release of gonads. Now option D says oxytocin. Oxytocin is also a hormone of the pituitary gland that induces childbirth or labor. It induces childbirth and also induce milk secretion from the nipple. Then option E says prolactin. Prolactin induces milk production. So now from all I have described, you agree with me that option B, antidiuretic hormone ADH, is the answer to this question because it is the one concerned with the reabsorption of water from the kidney tubules. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.